Hello, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you haven't been here before. I'm John. Today we're going to do extenders for the mirrors on the Monkey. I've had the Monkey for about a month now, and if you're like me, you might be able to see here quite wide shoulders. So the mirrors, basically all I can see in each shoulder in each mirror is my shoulder. So I've got a couple of mirror extenders that I got on AliExpress, less than £10, and I'm going to fit them today. So got a chest mounted camera, so hopefully we'll get some close-ups of what I'm doing here. It's a fairly straightforward change. I don't think it'll take that long. There's 4 bolts. Take the mirrors off, extenders on, and we will see what the difference is at the end, and hopefully I'll gain an inch or two either side, inch and a half, and I'll have a much clearer view behind me, because at the moment I don't see very much in the mirrors. So let's do it. So don't buy these. Do not buy these mirror extenders from AliExpress. I'll show you the link that I got them from. The problem is the threads are different, so can't get them on, can't get the extenders on. So this is a large bolt, and if you look at the thread there, it goes in for about 2 turns, 3 turns, and then it won't go any further. And the problem is the threads on the bolt are wider than the threads in the hole. So there's no way I'm forcing that into the hole. Otherwise I'm just going to damage the threads. So that's one of the issues. The second issue is if you were able to secure the extender there, you then have to screw the mirror into this one. And it's a similar issue. So when you try to catch the thread, it just doesn't. It's as if the mirror threads are slightly wider apart, and it's almost like the tip of the mirror is too large to go into that hole. So I've been trying for 5-10 minutes to get this on. I even checked on the AliExpress website and had a look at the picture to see how they put them on. And if you look at the picture, you can actually see that they've got these installed on a bike, but it's not a Monkey. You can see from the tank that it's a different kind of bike. So I don't know. Do you know what? These cost me £2.33. So what did I expect? And I've clicked on refund, and AliExpress have just given me the money back. So they've not even asked me to return them. But bit of a waste of time, bit of a waste of a video. So I'm going to turn this video not from a how to install Monkey mirror extenders, but where not to buy them from is going to be the message now. So yeah, I'm going to put the mirror back on, original bolts, and you can see the difference. Basically, boom, in you go. So that's what it is. The threads on that set of extenders are just incorrect. So anyway, I will get some Monkey extenders, and I will fit them at some point. But you know, I'm just going to at least tell people and show them the link as which ones not to buy, unless you're willing to force the threads, which I'm not. So anyway, short video. Like and subscribe, give me a thumbs up, even if I've told you what not to do, and I'll be back again and we'll do a video, and we will get these Monkey extenders, mirror extenders. And if I say Monkey extenders one more time, I'm really going to kick myself, but we will get them done. So thanks for watching anyway. Catch you next time. Have a good day.